Hi goodies, welcome to Grade 2 EVS. Today our topic is my country. Which is our country? Yes, India is our country. In this lesson, we are going to learn about our national symbols and the significance of the colors of the national flag and the reason why our national festivals are celebrated. Look at this map of our country, India. We all live in India. India is the 7th largest country by area, second most populous country, and the most popular democracy in the world. Do you know which is our capital city? Yes, New Delhi is our capital city. People in India follow different religions and speak different languages. We are proud of being Indian. Do you know who is our Prime Minister? Yes, our current Prime Minister is Narendra Modi and our current President is Ramnath Kovind. Next, we are going to see about our national symbols. On that, we are going to see about our national flag. This is our national flag. This is also called as a tricolor flag because it has saffron on top, white on middle and green on bottom. Saffron stands for strength and courage. White stands for purity and truth. And the green stands for prosperity. We have one wheel on the middle of the flag. This wheel stands for justice. This wheel is blue in color. Next, our national animal is tiger. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. Our national fruit is mango. Our national tree is banyan. Our national game is hockey. Yes, this is our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Do you know who wrote this national anthem? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore wrote this national anthem. And next we are going to see about our national festivals. We have three national festivals. One is Independence Day, another one is Republic Day, and the last one is Gandhi Jayanti. First we are going to see about our Independence Day. Before we became independent, the British ruled our country for almost 200 years. On 15th August 1947, India became independent from British rule. Thus, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On 15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian flag. Next, we are going to see about Republic Day. In earlier stage, different kings ruled different parts of India. Now we are not ruled by kings. The people of India choose their own government. This system of government is called a republic. On 26 January 1950, India became a republic. That's why we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. On Republic, the President of India hoists the national flag on Republic Day. In 1950, January 26, the first President of Rajendra Prasad was hoists the flag. Next we are going to see about Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. He was a very important leader who helped our nation to achieve freedom from foreign rule. We celebrate his birthday 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. As an Indian citizen, we have some duties. We have to follow them and we have to respect our national flag and national anthem and national symbols, everything. Here I am going to say about some basic duties of an Indian citizen. I hope you all follow this. First one is we have to follow our laws. Then respect our flag. and we have to stand whenever the national anthem is sang, and we have to protect our border, and we have to respect all religions and languages. We have to protect our public properties. We have to protect the natural resources like water, forest, and minerals. We have to protect our animals, and each and everybody, don't hurt anyone. I hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you, dears.